Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a footnote that keeps repeating throughout the whole video using CapCut Mobile. So just add the video that you want to edit, and then here just write the footnote. So click on text and add text. So you can just write it in here like this. I'm going to just repeat the word like this, for example, then resize it, and I'm going to put it at the bottom, for example, in here. So actually you can just adjust the length like this, so it will always be there on the video like that. But if you want to, you can use this trick. So first you can add keyframe like this, and then move the text like that, little by little. You can just move it along like this, so it will move like so. You can just repeat the word so it doesn't end. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.